Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, grade 9 maths final exam revision 4. So we are going to answer some questions from different topics. First of all, let's remind you something. When you are watching our video, please try questions first. All right, please try and get your answer, and then you can see correct answer. It is much better for you to learn. You should have practice. All right, please do that. It will give you 20 seconds for each question just to try. If you need more time, of course, you can stop video and then you can try. But please get your exam pad and write it down your answers. All right, today we have 10 questions. Guys, we have 10 questions. For each question, you can write yourself 10 points and total 100 marks. And then whatever you are getting out of 100, please let me know on comment. Just write it down and let me know what you are getting out of 100. Okay, let's start. Question 1 is coming now from algebra. So solve for x. 3x plus 7 equals 2x minus 4. It is an easy question for you. Please try this question. You have 20 seconds now. Sometimes 20 seconds not enough, but you can carry on, you can stop. So please try this question. We are looking for x. Last 2 minutes, 2 seconds. All right, time's up. Okay, so let's answer this question. 3x plus 7 and 2x minus 4. And we are looking for x. What number? So let's see. First of all, you can subtract 2x from both sides and then subtract 7 from both sides, and you are getting x equals negative 11. So this is solution from memorandum, but let's write it down. So first of all, let's write it down, our solution, just to get it. All right, let's continue. Now, we are going to answer this question. We have different options for solutions. First option, let's try. First option, what they said here, let's use subtract 2x from both sides. Okay, let's write it down. 3x plus 7 minus 2x equals 2x minus 4 minus 2x. So if you do that, what's going to happen? So 3x minus 2x, only x will be left here. X equals this x plus 7. So 3x minus 2x, x plus 7 equals, and this side 2x minus 2x making 0, so negative 4. What is next step? They said subtract negative 7, subtract 7 from both sides. So x plus 7 minus 7 equals negative 4 minus 4 minus 7, both sides. If you do that, still you have equal equation, and they cancel each other, and final answer is x equals negative 11. All right, you are using this way. Let me just use another way to answer this question. I hope everything is clear so far. What we are going to do, firstly, all unknowns one side, all numbers we know other side. So I'm going to take 2x this side, and number 7 is going other side. So I'm going to write it down like this. 3x minus 2x equals negative 4 minus 7. You know already, right? If 2x is positive and going other side, change to negative. And then plus 7 is going other side, change to negative. So 3x minus 2x getting x, and negative 4, negative 7. You know, if you have same sign, you are adding them, right? So negative, negative, and you are adding them and getting negative 11. X equals negative 11. Question 1, done. I hope you have 10 marks. If you get negative 11, please write your 10 points, 10 marks for this question. Let's continue with next one. So next one is coming now. Question 2. Let's see what they are asking. Geometry question. Okay. I told you from different topics, paper 1, paper 2, you know, different topics, algebra, geo, and other topics. So now, each side, each given for triangle, 8 centimeters, and base is 8 centimeters, height is 12 centimeters, and asking you calculate area of triangle. Good luck. Please try. Question 2. You have time 10 seconds. But please try. If you want to learn, you should try. All right, please try first. Okay, time's up. So let's continue now. So let's try to explain this one. Formula for area equals half of base times height. Half times base is 8 centimeters. Okay, let's show on the triangle. It is 8 centimeters here. Height equals 8 centimeters. Oh, sorry, base B, let's say. And then height is here, just from this side. H equals 12 centimeters. To calculate area, I'm using this formula, half base times height, H, or you can write like this, BH over 2. All right, B times height, B times H over 2, giving you area. But to get full mark, please write units. Okay, area of unit, centimeter square, as you see. We are going to write unit also. So just let's double check. Yeah, okay, half getting 48 centimeters square. Question 2, done. If you get 48, you have another 10 points. So far, I hope you have 20 points, 20 marks. Okay, let's continue with next question. Question 3 is coming now. Question 3, what they said, we have numbers 2, 6, 12, 20. What's next? All right, they're asking you what is next. We are using, in order, of course, we have a rule. So you should get that rule. Five seconds for question 3. All right, time's up. So let's see, let's see how we are gonna get our answers. So for this question, firstly, you are looking for maybe from 2 to 6, how can we make it? Maybe times by 2, add 2, but 6 to 12 times by 2. You know, it's difficult to calculate. So we have a rule for this one. It is number 1, first number is here, and second number, third one, and number 4. So I'm using this formula. This is our in which order. So n, we are using n square plus n. For example, first one. If I have, it is number 5, it is number 6, we can carry on, we can add more numbers. So this formula we are using for this pattern. So n square plus n. For number 1, let's try. 1 square plus 1 equals 2. All right, 1 square is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. When you come to next one, second one, 2, let's change color, 2 square plus 2. 2 square is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, it means this formula is working. Okay, so next one, number 3. Number 3, 3 square plus 3 equals 3 square is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Yes, our method is working. So you don't need to show all of them. On straight, you can go to number 5. Just in case I'm writing number 4 also, it's fine. 4 square plus 4. So 4 square is equal to 16 plus what we have 4 is equal to 20. Okay, next one, number 5. So of course, what I'm going to do, 5 square plus 5. And then 25 plus 5, answer is 30. Okay, so maybe they can ask you next 2, calculate next 2 numbers. So you can make with 6 square plus 6. And then you are getting, what is next? 36 plus 6 equals 42. If they ask you next one, answer is 42. But for now, our answer is 30 because they ask you only next term. All right, answer is 30. If your answer is 30, you have another 10 points. Okay, so let's continue with next question, guys. Next question is coming. Number 3 is coming now. Sorry, number 4 is coming. Okay, let's see. Oh, they are asking, okay, we have a group of numbers, we have some numbers, and they ask you, calculate the mean of this group. Okay, they are asking you, calculate the mean of this group. We should remember the mean. Okay, good luck. It's your turn. Please try. 20 seconds you will have for this question, number 4. You will get the mean. In grade 8 also we have learned this. So what does it mean? Let's say, what does it mean? Okay, time's up. So let's answer this question. But before answering this question, let me explain what does it mean. What is mean? Okay, so mean is average. From grade 8, right? I'm taking this. So mean is average. Average means you are adding all numbers plus and divide by how many numbers you have. For example, you have 3, 5, 7. You are adding 3 plus 5 plus 7 and divide by 3. Done. Okay, it means average. The mean is average. This is our question now. So now we can answer this question. Question 4. We have these numbers, 15 plus 18 plus 22 plus 25, just like that. We are adding them all, and then we should count how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 numbers. Divide by 10. Adding all numbers, divide by 10. Answer is 21.3. We have done our question 4. Another 10 points you can write on your exam pad. Okay, let's continue with next question. Number 5 is coming. So today we have 10 questions. Each question 10 points. And then for each question, you are having 20 seconds. All right, now they're asking you same group, same numbers, but asking you calculate the median. All right, time start. Okay, you have 20 seconds. We are looking median now. Calculate the median. All right, time's up. So it's time to answer this question. But before that, let's explain median. So median is the middle value between these numbers. But before saying that, you should write in order. Maybe from smaller to bigger, smallest to biggest, or biggest to smallest, but we must write them in order first. So this is our example. As you see, we have 8, 2, 5, 9, 1, and then you are writing them in order 1, 2, okay, let's see question number, okay, 1, 2, 5, 8, 9, and then which number just in the middle, as you see, for this example, number 5. So you just cancel this. So 1 from left, 1 from right, 1 from left, 1 from right, just like that, maybe 2 total from left, 2 from right. So 5 in the middle. So you can say our answer is 5. So now let's explain our question. Question 5, what was our group numbers? Okay. Now they said calculate the median. Median is 21. 21 when the data sets arranging just from smallest to biggest, and then you see 21 is our answer, but let's show that. Let's explain. So first of all, what is our smallest number in this group? You see it is 15, right? Okay, we can write 15 first. 15, and 15 is gone. And what is next? We have 18, right? So 18 we are writing, but as you see, we have one more 18. Please write, if you have 2, write twice. And then anything else? No, 18, no 19. So, but I have 20. Okay, let's write 20. Only 1, right? So yes, only 1. And next one is 21. Next one is 21 is gone. Do we have any other 21? No. 22 is gone 1, but I have one more 22, sorry. 22, it's gone. And next one is 24. Another one is, okay, 24 is gone. 25 and 20. All right. So from now, you can use this method to make it easy for you. Cancel numbers from left and right. So 1 question, one number from left, one from right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, oops. And then what is left? What number? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. This does double check something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 21 and 22 left. So 21, 2. Okay, let's calculate. We'll change that. 21 plus 22 over 2. We should do that because not only 21 left, it's because two numbers left. Because when you cancel each, I hope we didn't do any mistake. Let's double check. All right, everything is okay. So we can calculate 21 plus 22 over 2. If you have two numbers, you can use this calculation. Just cancel all other numbers and then calculate this 2. If only one left, it's easy. So 21.5. 21.5, we can write our answer. So we have done this question. Another 10 points I hope you have. But for mean also, we have some decimal. We just go back and recalculate. Oh, it's with decimal already. All right. So let's continue with next question. Question 5 we have done. Question 6 is coming now. Question 6 coming with another topic, probability. So please read question 6 side by and asking you what is the probability of rolling an even number. Okay, this is your question number 6. Please try. You have 20 seconds. Please try to get answer. Number 6 you have now. As you know, what you are going to do, you are going to try first. Probability of rolling an even number. That's our question. All right, time's up. If you need more time, please stop. Okay, let's see this video first about our topic. If you have a die, just don't misunderstand. You are not dying. So you have this one, as you see, 6 sides, each side different numbers. What numbers we have from 1 to 6? We can just write it down, all numbers, and then we can work on it. So from 1 to 6, we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For probability, what we know, number of which one they are asking. Now they are asking you even numbers. So how many numbers we have? How many even numbers we have? 3 even numbers. And total number is 6. So we have 2, 4, 6 possible to come out of 6. So, and then you can simplify, divide by 3 each, and getting 3 over 3 is 1, so 1 over 2. Or you can write 50 over 100. Why I am saying that? Because with percentage you can write. How I'm getting 50 over 100? Times by 50 each side. Okay, times by 50, each side 50%. You can say 50%, or 1 over 2, or 3 over 6. All of them correct. If they ask you with odd numbers, same process. If they ask you any number, what can happen? Probability of just coming number 5, for example. What you are going to do that time? If they ask you only number 5, so you're just writing down all numbers one more time, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many number 5 we have in this group? We have only 1. So 1 over 6, you are going to say. All right. If they ask you any 3 numbers, just they said number 4, 5, 6, you know, is these 3 numbers, not any, just these 3 numbers, you are going to say 3 over 6 one more time. If they ask you 4 numbers, 4 over 6, just so on like that. All right. So we have done probability question. Let's continue with next one. Number 7 is coming now. Number 7, converting units. Okay, just like science question. 2.5 kilometers. How many meters? 20 seconds. Start already. It's easy one. Will not take your time. 2.5 kilometers. How many meters? plus seconds. Yes, time's up. Let's continue. Let's see. Answer is 2,500 meters. Why? Because I know from kilometer to meter times by 1,000. 1 kilometer. Kilo means 1,000. All right. So 1,000 meters. So I have 2.5 kilometers. So times by 1,000, 2.5 times 1,000, you are getting 2,500 meters. Done. Question 7, also done. I hope you have 70 marks, 70% so far. Please try next question. Question 8 is coming now. Question 8, let's see. Okay, this is our question. 2 cups of, okay, 1 cup of sugar and making cakes or something. So how much sugar you must use for half of the recipe? So half of cake. So how much sugar should you use? Okay, please try this question. Question 8 is coming. I think it's an easy one. 2 cups. The simple one, even will not take 20 seconds. All right, time is up. So let's continue. If you are using for each cake recipe, it's fine. For each cake, if you are using 1 cup of sugar, for half, of course, 1/2 done. All right. So it is simple one, but how many cups of flour, how many cups for this one flour you are going to use? 2/2, 1. Okay, because if to make one, let's say cake, to make 1 cake, what I'm using to make 1 cake, I'm using 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of flour. It is for 1. If you make it half, because they said half of 1, so what you are going to do, 1/2, 50%, or just leave it 1/2 is fine. But this one, 2/2 equals 1 cup. All right, so using 1 and 1. But if I ask you another question, making 2, okay, not 1 cake, I'm trying to make 2 cakes. What you are going to do that time? All these sides, all of them, times by 2, because I'm making 2. If make half, divide by half, divide by 2, but now times by 2. So 2 times 1, 2 cups of sugar you are going to use for sugar, 2 cups. And if you are making 2 times 2, 4 cups of flour you are going to use. All right. So this is our question 8. Answer is, just for this one, is half. If you say half, your answer is correct. You are getting 10 points. Let's continue with next question. Okay, question now. So another question now, we have y, not x, y we have. Please try question 9. Try to get y. Y equals something. Okay, let's see what we are going to get. Remember our methods in question 1. All right, time's up. So what we are going to do, first of all, subtract first method. As you know, we have 2 different methods for this question. Subtract 2y from both sides and subtract 1 from both sides. That's our question, and then you can get y. Okay, let's do that. Let's just show on our equation. First of all, subtract 2y from each side. Let's see what's going to happen. 2y minus 5 minus 2y. And 3y plus 1 minus 2y. You can use different options, all right? Don't just focus on one option. So you have too many options for each question. So 2y minus 2y, only minus 5 left, equals 3y minus 2y, you are getting only 1y. You can write just y or just 1y, it's fine, plus 1. And then what they say, subtract 1 from each side, okay? Minus 6, okay, just 1 minute. Let's write minus 5 minus 5 minus 1, and y plus 1 minus 1. And negative 6 equals y. So this one cancels because negative, negative we are adding. You know that. Answer is negative 6. Okay, this is first method, first option. We have another option. Let's try that option. It is plus minus same thing, but let's use that way also. Now what I'm going to do, I will take which I know, one side, which I don't know, other side. I will take 2y this side to make it easy, and 1 is going other side. It's the same thing, right? So negative 5 minus 5, 1 is going plus, 1 is going other side negative. And then I have 3y minus 2y. So negative 6 equals y. That's another option. All right, we have done our question 9. Let's continue with next question, guys. Question 10, today's last question. So inequality now. So we are looking for x. X is bigger than, and then just we are going to calculate. Okay, please try to get x. Where is x? X is smaller than 5, bigger than 0, or what? Please try. You will get your 20 seconds. For equations, what we are using, same thing, but only final answer will be different. Not exactly equal that number, just bigger than or smaller than that number you will get. Okay, let's see. 2 seconds, 1, and time's up. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we have long way for this question. Okay, let's finish this one. We don't need any more. It is last question for today. So first of all, subtract 5 from both sides, inequality from both sides, subtract 5, and then divide by 2. Divide both sides by 2, and then you will get this answer. X is more than 3, equal and more than 3. So in our number order, we can just show also what they said: 2x plus 5 minus 5, and bigger than 11 minus 5. Step 1. So subtract 5 from each side because I'm trying to make it alone for x. Okay. So 2x more than 6. Step 1. After that, you are just saying divide by 2 each side. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is more than 3. Okay, that's our answer. If you want to show in number line, on number line, if you want to show, we can show if you want. So let's see, it is 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, and so on. Other side, negative 1. You don't need to write all of them. It is negative 3. So how can I show for this inequality? So this is number 3, including number 3, because we have this sign. All right. So if you have only this, not including number 3, but for now, if you have this one equal, so including number 3 and bigger than, more than number 3. All right, going this way. This is our x bigger than number 3. All right, we have done for today. I hope it's going to help you for your final exam. Good luck for all exams. See you next lesson. See you next video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson. Please study well. I hope you will get good marks.